So I thought I'd do a video of the mini Goldendoodles today. I haven't done one in a couple of days, and they've gotten so big. Oh my goodness. So these are F1 Goldendoodles. Mom is an AKC Golden Retriever who's 40 pounds. Hi, puppers. Hi, babies. Oh, Mom's coming in. We just cleaned the pen this morning, got them fed. We're working on getting them some water. Right now, they're more interested in climbing out of the pen. Yeah, you guys need to stay put so I can get your pictures. Yes. Oh, yes. Oh, hi. This is Cheer. This is Touchdown. Whoop, sorry, Touchdown. I think this is Gatorade. You Gatorade over here chewing on the pink bone. Guys, gonna get up and play. Oh, you're just following Mom. Oh, hi. That might be Gatorade, though. That one's awfully curly. I honestly can't tell unless I chip them. Hi, baby. Hi, sweetheart. That one's Rihanna. Hi. Oh, you're going to come over and say hi and play? Oh, need to wear like a body cam. Hi. They're like, oh, we want to come play with you. We want to come play with you. Oh. Mom's like, I already fed y'all. Go eat your food. Hi, sweet. Oh, I got an escapee over here. Where are you going? Oh, we're going around. Mama, get out of there. You're making a mess. Hi, pumpkins. So, the morning Goldendoodles. Hi, sweetie. You are too cute. You are too cute. Too cute for words. Hi. I have to scan their chip to know who's who on the black ones. Except for Touchdown. Touchdown, I can tell. Oh, yeah? Here's Touchdown, I think. Actually, I don't know. Hi. 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 Oh, yeah, you're going to go play? Oh, my goodness. Oh, my goodness. You're not helping me hold the camera still here, little one. Oh, little ones. Hi. Whoop. Boop. Come here, boopies. Get back in there. Hi, pumpkins. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. You're so cute. You're so cute and so lovable. Yes, we love yous. Hi, puppers. Oh. Should add a selfie camera on that one. Okay. Hi, sweetie. Oh, yes. Yes. Oh, hi. Hi, pumpkin. Well, the sun coming in this morning is making my lighting not so great on the... Hi. I got a lap full of puppies. Okay. You're supposed to go play with toys. Go play with toys. Be cute. All right. They said, we just want to escape. What happened to my escapee? I actually had an escapee. I have an escapee. Oh, Lord. She's over checking out Aunt. Oh, let's go get her. Come here, sweetie. Come here, puppers. Thank you for returning my escapee. Boop. Hi. 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 Boop. Boop. Hi. Boop. Hi, you little ones. Oh, I probably need to do better videos. Sorry, guys. Oh, here we go. Rihanna's playing with the toy. Oh, yes. Oh, you want to come get some? Who are you? Who are you? Are you Kelsey? who you are. Nope. That's Blitz. Hi. Hi. They're turning into tiny dogs. Tiny dogs. Oh, tiny dogs. Yes, you're no longer little blobs. No longer little puppy blobs. Tiny dogs. Oh, and then we get the growling. Oh, oh. So I have 4 available. 1 girl, 3 boys. 3 black ones, 1 cream one. Cream one is a girl. The 3 boys are black. Hi. They are 5 weeks old and growing like crazy. Oh, they go home in just 3 more weeks. They'll be ready to go home. He says, he goes, I want somebody to play with. What got into you? Hi, Cheer. Hi, Cheer. How are you? There's Rihanna. She says, I'm chewing this lobster's eyeballs off. Hi. Hi, Cheer. We see is lots of waggly tails. I need a video of me videoing because over my shoulder is my mama Labradoodle who's obsessed with puppy videos, watching the puppy video on my phone. It's quite funny, actually. Even though the puppies are live in front of her, she doesn't move. She watches the screen.